There are many types of concrete houses for all age children to apply ideas to suit their families. If everyone is another person who likes the raw coolness of concrete houses that clearly show their identity. Besides being cool, this style of house is also a house that uses a budget that is not too high, because this concrete house emphasizes on showing the charm of the cement structure, showing brick walls, bamboo curtains, but for anyone who sees that loft and industry trials look too heavy or raw. You may choose only the parts you like to combine with modern and add softness to your liking. If you enjoy exploring creative home designs and decor ideas, would be thrilled if you could consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Your support means the world to me as I continue to share inspiring content with fellow home enthusiasts like you.